So, Shane, what's really messed up is that the Hot Topic where I live has more Fred teach. They they have nothing but Fred t-shirts. No Shane Dawson t-shirts. I got mad because Shane Dawson, you're better than Fred. Sorry, but you are. But like, all I saw was Fred, 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 Fred. They even have Fred buttons. So, yeah. No Shane Dawson t-shirts. None whatsoever. I'm mad. Tell Kentucky to put in Shane Dawson t-shirts for Hot Topic because they don't have any here. That just shows you how mad I am. Stupid freaking. Ugh. But yeah, they have no freaking Shane Dawson t-shirts. And it sucks. So yeah, that's what I have to say. And I out.